Hello everyone, my name is Diana Williams from the Olympic gold recognized nation of St. Lucia and also the OECS youth representative at the pre-COP16 training workshop here in Miami. Having applied and been selected through a meticulous process, acknowledging the Global Youth Biodiversity Network, it is humbling indeed to be amongst Caribbean leaders championing the biodiversity resolve. Observing how critical biodiversity challenges and resolutions are fought for, be it financial mechanisms and other resources, the region's presentation of intellect and capability is indeed incredibly, indescribably inspiring. I'm thankful to God and the OECS Commission for grace in experiencing this fine opportunity to confirm that we are more than just SIDS, small island developing states, evident in the inclusion of the fundamental youth voice in global foci.